Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I wanted to show you what the difference between the old and the new Volupte Shine from YSL. The old version comes in this very beautiful gold packaging, which I love. And this is the new packaging. Less metal. This is a tester that didn't have the size that I needed. I really prefer the gold with the flashiness of this because someone suggested if you decide to take this apart, you can make the middle part a ring, and I have seen that. Why did they change the look and the formula? Well, cosmetic companies always, eventually over a few years, will change the look, especially if it's been a few decades. So this is the old look. This is the old information for what it was. This is the Rouge Volupte Shine, and it was perfect to me. It was this is how much I've used. I used it all. So this was in this color. It was great. It was translucent, gave you shine, shimmer, moisturized your lips really well, smells like watermelon. But they decided to redo it, and because there were certain ingredients that were making people allergic. Not me, I was good. But they changed it to this. It is a pigmented pink, and the problem with this, and then let me show you how much they give you with this. This is just a tester because they were sold out. So I've only used a little bit. But the problem with this one is if you have pigmented lips, so if your lips are not like, what color would that be? Basically this or lighter. If you have a little bit more brown in your lips for your lip color or darker shade, this will look kind of, if you put too much cakey, the formula is thicker than this one. Let's put them together. So you can see, even if you look at the consistency, they're totally different. The colors are different. Yes, my nails are that color, but my lips are not that color. And there's a few of us that would prefer this over this. They should have given two different color options. They thought, oh, well, this goes with everybody. This does not go with everybody. So I will not be getting the new version because they have changed the color of this. It will look a little strange on more pigmented lips, and for me, I prefer the clear where it just looks like my lips have a nice healthy shine versus chapstick. Okay. Because they don't make this one anymore, I'm going to have to eventually just go back to the Chanel lip balm version, because it was the same as this, but it didn't smell like watermelon. That was the only difference, and there's a little bit of difference in price, maybe $1 or $2. So I'm gonna have to go to this, although I preferred this. So I don't remember what this smells like, so I'm gonna smell it really quick. Sorry. It still smells kind of fruity, but it's not the watermelon scent that I love. So I think the current price for these are $45 or $48. You can get the tester pieces. You can purchase them. You can also ask for them at the counter. I don't know how many they will actually give. But yeah, I'm not really loving the new composition of the YSL lipsticks, because as you can see, this one's a little bit more silky looking and this one's a little bit thicker like a pudding. So just imagine that on your lips. What do you want? The glaze or the pudding? So I relate everything to food. I just wanted to share my thoughts on this. For those of you who really love the new, what do they call it? The new ingredients and the new composition, kudos to you. But for me right now, I'm just not going to go for it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.